Title: 3 Powerful Phrasal Verbs with Multiple Meanings, Learn to Use Them Naturally. Hey everyone, James William here with Go Natural English, and today we're going to level up your English by learning 3 common phrasal verbs that each have multiple meanings. Phrasal verbs are tricky because their meaning changes depending on the situation. If you want to speak fluently and sound more natural, understanding these double or triple meanings is essential. So today, we're going to break them down step by step with real-life examples to help you use them correctly in conversations. Let's dive in. 1. Pick up, 3 different meanings. Our first phrasal verb is pick up, and this one is quite versatile. It actually has 3 different meanings, depending on the context. Let's go through them one by one. Meaning 1, to collect or retrieve something. Imagine you've left your clothes at the dry cleaner. When they're ready, you go back to the store to pick them up. I need to pick up my dry cleaning before the store closes. Could you pick up some groceries on your way home? This meaning is all about retrieving or collecting something. Meaning 2, to give someone a ride. If you drive, you've probably picked up a friend or a family member before. I'll pick you up at the airport at 7 p.m. Can you pick me up after work? Here, pick up means to give someone a ride in a car. Meaning 3, to flirt or start a romantic interaction. Now, this meaning is quite different. If someone says they picked up a person, it means they started a conversation in a romantic way, maybe at a party or a cafe. He tried to pick up a girl at the bar last night. She's really good at picking up guys. So, the phrase can mean retrieving something, giving a ride, or even flirting, depending on the context. 2. Pull up, 2 key meanings. Now, let's move on to our second phrasal verb, pull up. This one is mostly used with cars, vehicles, and technology. Meaning 1, to stop or arrive in a vehicle. If you are driving and you stop near a location, you can say you pulled up. I pulled up to the drive-thru to order some food. He pulled up in front of my house and honked the horn. This phrase is commonly used when talking about cars stopping at a location. Meaning 2, to open or access information. Now, let's move away from cars and talk about technology. If you are searching for something online or opening a document, you might pull up some information. Can you pull up that email for me? I just pulled up the report on my laptop. So, pull up can mean arriving in a vehicle or opening/accessing information on a device. 3. Run into, 2 different meanings. Finally, let's talk about run into. This phrasal verb has 2 very different meanings, so it's important to pay attention to the context. Meaning 1, to meet someone unexpectedly. If you run into someone, it means you see them by surprise, not that you're physically running into them. I ran into an old friend at the mall today. We always run into each other at the coffee shop. This meaning is used when you bump into someone unexpectedly. Meaning 2, to collide with something. Now, if you run into a tree, that's a completely different situation and not a good one. Here, it means to physically crash into something. He wasn't paying attention and ran into a pole. Be careful while driving in the rain, you don't want to run into anything. This is a literal meaning, where run into means to hit or collide with something. Quick recap. So today, we learned 3 common phrasal verbs, each with multiple meanings. Pick up, to retrieve something / to give someone a ride / to flirt. Pull up, to stop a car / to access information. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly / to crash into something. Your turn to practice. Now, here's a challenge for you. Try using these phrasal verbs in a sentence and leave a comment below. Which meaning do you find the most confusing? Let me know, and I'll help clarify it for you. Thanks for watching Go Natural English. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more lessons. See you in the next video.